Alright, so I have high hopes that this is going to work. Here's my shitty phone. This is on a real camera. You can actually see, it keeps it steady. It's pretty freaking nuts. I'm in my parents' car. I'm going to see if I can get a little closer, get a little better view on it. It's a shitty view right now. Yeah, you're going to see me drive. Like a motherfucking madman. I really don't know how to get over there, but there's a connecting road here, so I assume it's got to be close enough, right? There's a dirt road. It's what we live on. It's just dirt. Fucking dirt. And it's loud. Alright. Looks like I'm driving into nowhere. There we go. Is that a little better? Shit. Damn. Hold on just a sec. You can hear him over there yipping and yelling. There's a lot of downtime between fireworks. It's kind of depressing. I want fireworks back to back. They need to line up. Oh, there we go. They need to line up about 40 of them. Looks like the moon. So this is the house that my mom said there. I guess she works with them or whatever. Ooh. That looks pretty badass. Ooh. Damn, that went crazy. The sound went crazy far. You can hear them yelling out there. Like, they're like cursing and stuff. Jeez. If you want to see how busy this road is, to see like our neighborhood, this is our neighborhood. Those aren't headlights, those are house lights. Everything there is a house light. There's no cars as far as you can see. Pretty damn ridiculous. Here comes another one. Oh, well, no. They're just leading me on. Doing something back there, you can't really tell though. I think it's one of the ones that's on the ground. God, I want fireworks. Woo! Yeah, I'm glad I drove over here because that other video was just awful. You can see shit. I want to sing. I just want to sing. They've been laughing since I can remember, but they're not gonna laugh anymore. No more man in the deep. Ooh. Oh, we got these cool little insect repellent things, because they love to. The mosquitoes they can be bad. It just depends on the day. Like one week we had crazy mosquitoes. Now we don't really have any. But it's a little clip-on thing. You've probably seen it on TV. That you just clip on like your waist band or whatever, your jeans or whatever, and your belt. And it's like a little fan that pumps out an aura around you that they don't like a off spray, but you don't have to like spray yourself with all that crap. So it's pretty cool. I think I'm gonna edit this video some if I can. I don't know how long it's gonna take though. I don't want to be fucking taking 3 hours to edit a video. Looks cool on the camera though. It gives it like little it puts like a little circle around all the lights. Dun, 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 dun. So quiet out here. You can hear his damn crickets. There's a lot of cicadas too.